Hello, welcome to this screencast. I'm Ken Lau. Here is something I found out uh, about IRR, internal rate of return, and the relationship between that with present valued, net present valued, NPV. So, what is this IRR? Well, first, before that, we talk about the present value. So, we have a formula for this. So you got to find out what is present value, right? So it says that, right? It's current year, right? If 1 year later you were given, you will invest 2,500. How much that is worth in today's terms? So using this formula, you can find out it is 2418, right? Negative 2418. You're not actually given 2,500 in. If that is 1 year later you you invest 2,500 is so different from today. Today is 2,500, but because there are the discounting factor, which is an interest rate of 3.36, right? So it has discounted the the value of a future value. So this is so called the discounting rate. So now I got after the first 4 years, right? I've invested the amount. So now I expected on the fifth year, I'm going to have a profit. So 750 as it could be in the form of dividends, right? 750, which is worth 635 in today's term. So again, using these formulas. So finally, I got a return of 10,000, which is like it appears if it is the initial investment amount, which is negative 10,000. But if you take a look at the money the cash that is outflow, right, going out is actually equals to the money that's come in, right, the inflows of the cash, right, cash in, cash out. So if you do a minus, right, the net present value is equals to zero because using this minus this becomes zero. So at this point, what is the interest rate that causes this to happen? That interest rate is called the internal rate of return, right? What you pay is equivalent to what you receive in today's term, right? So that's why there is a discounting factors. So 3.36 is the IRR, right? All you need to do is just take whatever is cash in or whatever you have invested and whatever you have uh, taken back as a investor. So that is IRR. So there's another variation that is called XIRR. IRR does not IRR used to count when there are periodic invested amount and periodic profit tickets. But XIRR handle things differently, right? It includes a different durations, right? So the XIRR returns the internal rate for a schedule of cash flow that is not necessarily periodic, right? I take this definition from this link. So here you are, right? These are all the information we take. So if you take all these value, right, and it will be equal to what is invested. So that is the net present value. At this point, right, this if you use IRR is 3.75. As for SIRR is slightly is kind of double than the internal rate of return because it's include considering the durations of the money invested and the durations is you took the dividend. So XIRR. Right, do go to YouTube to find out the financial expert who talk about the XIRR. Thanks for watching. This is can't allow. Thank you very much for watching this. I hope you learned something.